What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Alexa and I like to share easy vegan friendly recipes to help you live healthy while being frugal. Alright, so today's video, as you can tell by the title, was inspired by Stephan's video that he made yesterday. He uploaded it yesterday and I thought, wow, I want to do the same thing. Basically what he did is that he showed us, all of his blessed viewers, how to make a 97-cent breakfast as well as his morning routine. So I thought, since I don't have a video of my morning routine yet on my channel, I would show you that. So, and also show you my vegan version because I'm vegan. So my vegan version of the 97-cent breakfast, and show you how you can eat really cheaply, really kind of the same thing that he ate for the same price, but just, you know, the vegan version. Let's be real though, oatmeal, literally, if you want to be like, if you're 100% broke and you have no money, oatmeal is by far the cheapest way to have a breakfast. You can get a whole bag of oatmeal for $3, and each portion is going to be like 20 cents of a bowl. So really cheap. Nothing beats oatmeal. So I'm pretty fortunate that I live right on campus, so for me, and all my classes also start after like 10, so it's pretty nice because I get to sleep in a lot more during the morning. So that being said, I usually wake up around 8, so not super early, not super late as well. Once I'm up, the first thing I do is I run to the bathroom. So our bathroom are in the hallway because I live in a dorm. So I run to the bathroom and I do my morning pee. Then after that, I come back here, I make my bed. I also drink a whole lot of water just to get, you know, because I always wake up like super, like kind of dizzy and dehydrated. So that's what I do. And then I'll go ahead and take a B12 pill and also a probiotic, just, you know, to get my immune system on track. And yeah, that's what I do. After that, usually I make breakfast. Sometimes I eat after, sometimes I eat before I shower, but today I just ate before I showered. So I went downstairs because our kitchen's downstairs and I made my breakfast. So this is the fun part. Graham's video, he made like an omelet, a taco omelet with some cheese and also like a bagel cream cheese. I didn't have bagels or cream cheese and I don't really eat cream cheese anyway. So I decided I would show you how to make a tofu scramble with cheddar cheese and a tortilla, taco tortilla. So basically I just took a brick of tofu, cut it in half. That brick of tofu, like I did my groceries like a couple days ago at Walmart, but it was around $2 and I only used like a third, even less than that. I used like a third, like a quarter. Like I cooked a half of a brick, but I really only ate like a quarter, so I'm gonna just say I ate like a quarter of that. And I fried that up in some olive oil like Graham did. Of course, you gotta stay true to the inspiration. So I cooked that up in some olive oil and I added some seasoning, so I only used a tiny pinch of each. And then after that, I let that fry out for like, you know, a couple minutes just to get it nice and moist, because you want it to, you know, really cook through and like get like softened a little bit, you know. So I did that for like 5 or 6 minutes, and then I added, once that was like really nice and yellow, I added my cheddar. So they sell vegan cheddar pretty much everywhere now. I bought mine from Walmart by the brand Daya, and the cheddar is always like a little bit less expensive than the mozzarella. I don't really know why, but that's how it is. So I bought the cheddar. Again, I don't have a receipt from Walmart anymore, but from memory, like I'm pretty good at like memorizing all the prices of my food. It was around like $5 a pack. So, and I only used a tiny little pinch, like I used like 10 shreds of mozzarella in there. Again, let it, put the lid back on, and then just let it melt for like an extra 5 minutes. After that, I got ready, took my shower, and, you know, got dressed. And then once I was ready to eat, I just served it up on some tortillas. So just a name brand from the store, from Walmart. So it was the least expensive tortillas. I think I got them for like $3 a pack. There's a pack of 10, so each is about 30 cents or like 25 cents. It's just under $3, so each is like 25 cents a piece. so I ended up using 2 of those. And yeah, and then I just added some srirachas just for flavor. The whole bottle of sriracha is like $3, so I just added a tiny squirt, and then I made myself some coffee to go with it, because of course, if I'm going to do a gram inspired video, I need some 20-cent coffee. So mine is not iced. I like it hot, and also I don't have an ice maker. I don't have a freezer, so I can't really make ice cubes anyway. Alright, now so time for the price breakdown. Of course, my inspiration was Graham, and with his 97-cent breakfast. I was gonna say 97-cent iced coffee. No, 97-cent breakfast. So for my breakfast, let's start with the tortillas. So like I said, I got the whole pack of tortillas for just under $3. So I guesstimate it to be, and the whole pack, it has 10 tortillas in it. Can't really see because of the glare, but the whole pack has 10 tortillas, making each tortilla about 25 cents, sorry, a quarter. And I used about 2, so that's like 50 cents for the tortillas. Then for the tofu, I ended up eating only about a quarter of the block, so I guesstimate that to be around 50 cents again. Then for the cheddar, I used the whole pack of cheddar was like $4.50 from what I remember at Walmart, and I only used a little tiny pinch, so I guesstimated that to be about a quarter again, 25 cents. Then for all my seasoning combined, I used, like I said, salt, pepper, olive oil, sriracha, turmeric. I guesstimated that to be around 5 cents, because those are huge containers. I only added a tiny squirt, so I thought I'm not gonna spend hours trying to calculate everything and like make an accurate calculation. I'm just gonna estimate it to be around 5 cents for all the seasoning combined. So once you add everything up, so you have to add up 50 cents plus 50 cents plus 25 cents plus a 5 cents, that gives you $1.30. And you might be like, well, you said you were going to do 97-cent breakfast, not like $1.30 breakfast. And I would agree with you, but then you have to remember, I live in good old Canada, so a little bit north of the US, if you didn't know. And once I go in my converter, because I have a converter app on my phone right there. I don't know why I have that. I'm really weird. I like to check different currencies all the time. Like, oh, I wonder how much Canadian money is worth in the UK, and it's not worth a lot, but yeah. And I also travel a lot, so this is really handy for me. But anyways, for the sake of this video, I inputted $1.30 in Canadian, and that gives us right around, or if you can see that, right around 99 cents for the US. So 99 cents USD. And let's be honest, that is a market that is the market rate for USD to Canadian. But in real life, if you go to the bank and you were to exchange money at the bank or somewhere, they would probably give you a much crappier rate, and that would probably end up being 97 cents. So that's my excuse. That's how I justify it. And yeah, and I also think that Canadian prices are a little bit jacked up. I don't know why. Grocery stores are I feel like food is a tiny bit more expensive here, and I went to Walmart. It's supposed to be the cheapest place to buy food, and that's what I ended up with. So that was my 97-cent breakfast. After that, after I ate that breakfast, I went ahead and drank some 20 cents iced, why do I keep saying iced, some 20 cents hot coffee. And yeah, that's about it. That's what I've done so far. Now I'm just gonna brush my teeth and get ready to go to my math class. And that's my morning routine, guys. It's not really super exciting. My main point was just trying to recreate a really cheap breakfast to show that it can also be done the vegan way, because a lot of people think that being vegan is more expensive, which I don't agree with. So the whole channel's purpose is to debunk those who think like that, those thoughts, So that was it for today, guys. If you like this video, make sure that you like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel. I really much appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends. dance on the